10 common financial mistakes to avoid. Let's make sure you don't fall into these traps. Mistake number 1: living without a budget. Do you know where your money is going every month? One of the biggest mistakes people make is not having a budget. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and lose track of your expenses. Creating a simple budget helps you plan your spending, save money, and stay on top of your finances. Remember, a budget is not about restricting your life, it's about taking control of your money. Mistake number 2: not building an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises. Your car breaks down, or a medical bill comes up unexpectedly. That's why it's important to have an emergency fund. Many people skip this step and end up using credit cards or loans, which leads to more debt. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account. It's your safety net when things don't go as planned. Mistake number 3: relying too much on credit cards. Credit cards can be convenient, but relying on them too much can lead to serious debt problems. Many people only pay the minimum amount each month, which means they end up paying a lot of interest over time. The key is to use credit cards wisely and pay off the full balance each month if you can. This way, you avoid high interest and build a good credit score. Mistake number 4: ignoring retirement savings. It's easy to think, I'll save for retirement later. But the truth is, the earlier you start, the better. If you put off saving for retirement, you'll miss out on years of compound interest. That's when your money makes money. Start contributing to a retirement account like a 401k or IRA as soon as possible, even if it's a small amount. Mistake number 5: not having insurance. Skipping insurance might seem like a way to save money, but it's a risky move. Without the right coverage, a car accident or a medical emergency can wipe out your savings. Make sure you have health, auto, and home insurance to protect yourself from unexpected expenses. It's better to be safe than sorry. Mistake number 6: trying to keep up with others. It's tempting to want the latest gadgets, a new car, or fancy vacations, especially when you see others enjoying them. But trying to keep up with others can drain your finances quickly. Focus on your own financial goals and spend wisely. Remember, what looks good on social media doesn't always reflect reality. Mistake number 7: not investing your money. Saving is great, but just saving won't grow your wealth. Many people keep all their money in a savings account, where it earns very little interest. Instead, consider investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate. Investing allows your money to grow over time and helps you build wealth faster. Mistake number 8: ignoring debt. Ignoring your debts won't make them go away. If you have loans or credit card balances, it's important to tackle them head-on. Create a plan to pay off your debt as quickly as possible, starting with the highest interest debt first. This will save you money in the long run. Mistake number 9: not setting financial goals. If you don't have clear financial goals, it's hard to make progress. Think about what you want to achieve. It could be buying a house, starting a business, or saving for a vacation. Set specific, measurable goals and create a plan to reach them. Goals give your financial decisions a purpose. Mistake number 10: lack of financial education. Lastly, many people don't take the time to learn about personal finance. The good news is, it's never too late to start. Read books, watch videos, and follow experts who can teach you how to manage your money better. The more you learn, the better decisions you'll make.